How to turn off auto scroll on X. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your X application from your device and get logged into your X account. Once done, you will land onto a page like this. Under here, tap onto your personal icon on your left hand side, then expand the option of Settings and Support. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then you will see Accessibility, Display and Languages option. Tap onto it. From here, select the first option of Accessibility. Then you will see Video Autoplay. Tap Open it. And here choose Never. As you do so, the autoplay will be stopped. Just like so, this is how it's done. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on X topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.